ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಅಂಗಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪಾನೀರ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಕ್ವಾ ಮರೀನ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಚಿವ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಸಚಿವರು, ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ 18,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 ಜೈವಿಕ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 250 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಲೆಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಯುವಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಉದ್ಯಮಶೀಲತೆಯ ಹಸಿವನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀತಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಮನ್ವಯಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನವೀನತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸಚಿವ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಏನು ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಕಳೆದ 2 ದಶಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧಿಸಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಅಪೂರ್ವವಾದುದು. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಅಕ್ವಾ ಮೆರೈನ್ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಕೇಂದ್ರವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಹುಮುಖ್ಯ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಸಹಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಂ ಶಾಂತರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಐಟಿಬಿಟಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಶರಣಪ್ಪ ಸಂಕನೂರ್, ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿವಿ ಕುಲಪತಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮೂಡಿತಾಯ, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ನರ್ವಡೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಬಾರಿ ಮೊದಲಾದವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
People are shocked. The government of Karnataka runs a center of excellence in cyber security, in agriculture, in data science and AI, in aerospace, in biotechnology, semiconductor fabless, machine intelligence and robotics, animation and gaming, health sciences and medical devices. We have a center of excellence in manufacturing. We have a center of excellence in automobile tech. We have a biotechnology accelerator. We have a fintech accelerator. We have a gaming accelerator. We have a center of excellence in water management. We have a wireless. We have a center of excellence in wireless and wireless products. And today we have launched the center of excellence in aquamarine. Show me any other state in India who has such a wide array of centers of excellence. And these centers of excellence are becoming the hubs of innovation. They are becoming the accelerators of growth for innovation across the state. Today we are the 4th largest technology cluster in the world. People are surprised when we say that we have more than 20,000 startups registered with us. Sir, we have 110 unicorns in the country, out of which 47 unicorns are from our state of Karnataka. From our state of Karnataka. Our startup ecosystem is valued at $200 billion. We are number 6 in the startup ecosystem in the world. When I say we, it is India, and when I say India, it is Karnataka.
Our house in and around Bangalore. So we also aspire for setting up many more center of excellences, and this is one center of excellence we are very, very much proud of. As a matter of fact, in some of the road shows which we went, when we spoke about center of excellences such as AI, cyber security, on agriculture house in Bangalore, the people were not very much surprised, they were happy. But when we spoke about something called Center of Excellence on Aquamarine, people were very, very excited as to how is it that Karnataka government has moved a step ahead in the innovation ecosystem and setting up very innovative Center of Excellences for research. As a matter of fact, whenever we have review meetings or whenever we talk to the faculty, we see a lot of excitement from the Center of Excellence of Aquamarine. So I'm very, very positive about it. At the same time, talking some aspects about LEAP. LEAP is a very, very ambitious program for the Department of IT under Sir's guidance, where we are setting up many institutions such as growth labs, such as innovation hubs, for many centers for incubation, many centers for acceleration. We'll also be setting up 6 centers of excellences in beyond Bangalore. Apart from that, we'll be supporting many educational institutions, engineering colleges, medical colleges, hospitals, to ensure that this innovation ecosystem which is mainly centered in Bangalore, also develops in other parts of the state. One important information which I'd like to state and I'd like to conclude is that the flagship event called Elevate, where
thought leaders and also action leaders, and my dear student friends, I am here as not as the Vice Chancellor, but as the voice of the Chancellor, because he was here, he wanted to meet Kharge ji and be part of this function. Up to 11:30 he was in the campus, but he had high fever and he said, now let me not spread it to others, especially the busy minister and his colleagues, and that's why he said, please convey my regards to all especially the chief guest and all those who are participating in the event. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our Honorable Chancellor, with the inspiration from late Justice K. Segde, our founder, who believed that rural India is the real India, and started a small high school at Nitte, which happens to be a village in erstwhile Dakshina Kannada district near Karkad. And at Nitte he started with a small high school with just 14 students, and today the same institution over the last 4 decades has grown into a large multi-locational, multidisciplinary university with nearly 25,000 students and 21 constituent colleges. And I must add here